Breaking August 2026. Ukrainian drone operators just did the impossible. In a single shift, they intercepted 20 Russian Molniya attack drones. 20 out of 20. 0 missed. The SIGNUM battalion released footage of the operation. Russian drones approaching Ukrainian positions. One by one, they were shot down. The Molniya is Russia's fast attack drone, designed to strike Ukrainian positions with speed and precision, but this battalion had a different plan. According to Ukrainian operators, standard off-the-shelf FPV drones are sufficient for intercepting Molniya units. They are just as fast, and they are more agile. Ukraine is using advanced software called Skyhunter, developed by LLC Art Development. This system analyzes data from Ukrainian radar systems, tracks air targets in real time, and automatically guides FPV drones to intercept Russian UAVs. The system is designed to protect vital facilities against Apache Molniya, Zala, and Supercam drones. This is not manual interception. This is automated drone warfare. Ukrainian company Winfly has unveiled Spider, a reusable interceptor drone that catches hostile UAVs in a 3x3 meter net and then returns for another mission. IT can reach 160 kilometers per hour, fly beyond 18 kilometers, and operate at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. Each net reportedly costs only about $27. This is drone warfare on a budget. The SIGNUM Battalion also executed Operation Hell 2, a systematic campaign to destroy every Russian fuel depot in occupied Donetsk. In Enovo AM Frosifika, a cement plant was turned into a fuel HUB rail-fed and buried underground. Azuvi found it, mapped IT, and burned IT. The Russians keep hiding logistics in civilian infrastructure and then act surprised when IT stops existing. Over the course of 1 month, they succeeded. 5 depots, all destroyed. Without fuel, tanks don't move. Without fuel, trucks don't supply. Without fuel, the Russian war machine grinds to a halt. The footage shows precision strikes on fuel storage facilities, explosions that lit up the night sky. Russia has tried everything to stop Ukrainian drones. Anti-nets stretched across roads, electronic warfare systems, metal cages on tanks. Watch as a Ukrainian fiber-optic drone flies under a Russian anti-drone net. The net was supposed to catch drones, but this drone was too low, too precise, too skillful. Ukraine is also arming fiber-optic drones with shotguns. One video shows a Ukrainian FPV drone intercepting a Russian Molniya-type drone by firing a shotgun attached to IT fiber-optic drones. Cannot be jammed. They are connected to the operator by a physical cable. Electronic warfare is useless against them. Russia has also been upgrading its tanks, metal cages, wire mesh screens, dense perimeter shielding, all designed to deflect drone strikes. But the Apache Battalion of the 81st Airborne Brigade found a way. They didn't just strike the tank. They dismantled its protection first. Multiple FPV drones. Sequential attacks. The Russian crew had nitrogen monoxide chance. But this war is not fought only with drones. Ukrainian infantry is still on the front line, clearing buildings, fighting house to house. In the city of Lyman, soldiers from the 63rd Mechanized Brigade released footage. The situation near Lyman is difficult. The enemy continues to climb with an incredible number of infantry. But our fighters continue to fulfill the main task: to knock down this scum in packs. Ukraine has also conducted the world's first fully robotized assault. The NC13 Unit of the 3rd Assault Brigade uses unmanned ground vehicles to capture enemy positions without deploying infantry. A typical robotic assault involves 6 to 7 UGVs supported by FPV drones and bombers. Tasks that once required for 2-8 soldiers to storm a single dugout can now be carried out by 2 ground kamikaze drones. Mir, Lyman, a remote-controlled robot crept through grass and branches to hunt Russian infiltrators. One Russian soldier heard something and turned toward the sound too late. The robot surged forward and detonated, killing one and wounding another. A Ukrainian FPV drone finished off the third 4 months. Russian forces have been sending small groups of 3 to 5 soldiers through forests and trenches. Ukraine responded by sending robots to hunt the hunters. Ukrainian paratroopers are also using drones equipped with fishing rods and weighted cords to intercept Russian UAVs. The drone approaches the target from above, causing the Russian drone's propellers to become entangled in or damaged by the cord. This highlights how the war is pushing militaries to physically counter drones as electronic warfare systems evolve. August 2026, Ukraine's FPV drone warfare has reached a new level. 20 Russian Molniya drones, intercepted in a single shift, 5 fuel depots, destroyed systematically, tanks with anti-drone protection, dismantled and neutralized, ground drones and FPV drones, working together to wipe out enemy positions. The SIGNUM Battalion, the Prime Unit, the Apache Battalion, the 6th Road Brigade. Ukrainian paratroopers are also using drones, equipped with fishing rods and weighted cords to intercept Russian UAVs. The drone approaches the target from above, causing the Russian drone's propellers to become entangled in or damaged by the cord. This highlights how the war is pushing militaries to physically counter drones as electronic warfare systems evolve